Hello. A lot of people say lower your car. I say opposite. You need to raise it. Whoa! Long time no see. It's almost like we haven't been making videos because we've been building the shit out of manifolds.
So yeah, take a look at those there.
Today we kind of had this surprising thing come up. One of my buddies had this 1J in his shop and it needs a lot of work, but he said that if I got him set up with some welding equipment, which he needed for my old miller that he's gonna take over, that he would hook me up with this. So a practically free 1J teardown disassembly, because this supposedly is good. So I guess we'll find out. However, it is crusty as fuck. You can tell it's sat in a Japanese junkyard for...
Yeah, you know that's some salty water right there.
Like in here. That's nasty.
That's all Japanese leaves and dirt and yeah.
So what we're gonna go ahead and do is just disassemble it, take it down to our buddy Marty, who's right down the street, and have him hot tank it and hone it, and then see what we need to get for it and put it back together. Have a running extra spare 1J. And I'm kind of contemplating whether or not that could use...
Ooh, if you resurrected it with another 1JZ.
With another 1J, but a non-VVTi 1J.
Oh yeah, it is a non-VVTi.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last one was a VVTi, and VVTIs tend to make good power, but non-VVTIs are just known for their reliability.
Yeah, reliability, simplicity.
Yep.
So,
and yeah, tuning.
Like I said, though, we get this tore down. We got a little table set up. It's not, we're not engine builders, but you know, I'm not a banker, but this will work.
Insert inside joke. All right, heads off.
Yeah.
We were talking about how there's actually a decent amount of oil, but then I commented and said it smells like oil that hasn't been changed in many, many years.
It looks good though. Like the head itself looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look like it had like a head gasket leak. It looks like it's cooked some really crappy gas for a long, long time. It's just got a lot of carbon buildup. It's probably a really high mileage motor, but there's no like spots where the pistons contacted the head.
They have no
factory cross etching.
Yep. They look really, really good.
And this head gasket, it looks like it was in decent shape. You notice like all the coolant ports are still where they need to be.
Nothing has any like escape marks.
Yeah. So it doesn't look like it was like burning coolant or anything, or might have been burning a little bit of oil based off of how dirty the cylinders are. We need to get this thing up on a stand though. That way we can flip it over, take the oil pan off, get this crank pulley off, water pump, power steering, all that shit. Huzzah!
Sous-vide.
Sylvie! Okay.
Washers, 18.
Well, what we need to do now is we need to measure between here and here. Okay, so we got ourselves a nice little bracket setup going. Might trim this down a little bit before we weld it out all the way, or we can throw it in the saw later and cut it down. But I might MIG weld this part just so that it doesn't move or flex or warp. But when we go to weld this on, and then I might TIG weld this on since this is stainless, and it would probably be better, stronger for me to TIG weld this mild to stainless with 309 than use a MIG rod. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Now we should be good to take this back off, and we can go over there and we can clean this up and TIG weld the whole other shit.
Ooh.
It seems very secure.
Good.
Done. Yeah. Cool.
Solid, dude. How long it takes to make that?
I don't know, like an hour.
Hammer. Oh yeah, that's tied.
This looks pretty clean. There's like one little flick of something there.
It's like, oh god, this smells so bad. Very stinky. They didn't really change the oil when they should have.
Oh, Chappie's here, by the way.
Dude,
Literally every day.
Oh, every day.
that's the BMW SUV.
Every single day he goes by.
Yeah, there's days where he does pulls that are insanely fast.
Yeah, he does like well over 100 plus mile an hour pulls past the shop.
I'll just have
He'll
to
get a
wait
running-
one day in a Supra.
He'll get a running start way down there, and you hear whoop,
Yeah.
and he's like, whoop.
He's just got his JV4 crackle tune and he's happy. He loves
Yeah,
he sees the Supra in here and he's like, oh, I gotta do a pull past that shop.
yeah, you should probably get all your torque specs down.
untorqued to spec.
You have to keep these together because they literally split them as one piece. This actually doesn't look too bad. It's a little worn. But, wait, where's the bearing? Oh. Well, that's probably not.
They did the mod, the no bearing mod.
No, that's
fine.
Yeah.
Good.
You think you can run these?
No.
Gonna get some fresh race ones.
You want the box over here?
Yeah.
We have made much more progress now.
Yeah. This is coming apart.
Hey, sir, this is a Japanese engine. What are you doing with that accent?
The Germans like Japanese. They were once allies. They kind of ruined World War II for them. But... Okay, we don't have the correct puller, and then I snapped the bolt off in the actual lower pulley, so it's pretty much trash now anyway. So the way that we came up with this is I have this old pulley that was missing parts, so I went ahead and welded it to the lower crank pulley there, or the timing pulley. So I'm gonna just slide this bitch off now. Hey, look, the oil pump's coming off. Luckily, we have a couple of these pulleys, so maybe if we can find one that's in decent shape, we can steal that one for this. Or we can just probably get a new one.
I'm sure they're not super expensive.
No. This is gonna go from a $60 1J to like a $1,000 1J. I'm like,
But still, that's a $1,000 1J with new parts, refreshed, hot tanked.
yeah, everything brand new.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna get this crank out. Done. Got all the pistons out, got the crank out. Got all the ancillary parts off so we can go hot tank this thing and make it all brandy new. It's really so sick.
$60 1J.
$60 1J. What's our total budget? We want to be under 500.
I'm saying all together under 800 because
I think we do it cheaper.
Yeah, well, we can do it cheaper if we don't have to hone it.
I don't think we're gonna have to. It looks beautiful. As you can see, there's still a lot of factory cross hatching in there, so I don't think we're gonna have to hone it. Give it a quick cleanup. We'll see what Marty says though. If he says that he wants to hone it, we can just hone it and clean it. But other than that, I think we're pretty fucking golden once we hot tank it. Get these freeze plugs replaced and then go from there. That's gonna be it for this video. Sorry for not posting so much, but we've been busy building badass shit.
Yeah, we got wall full of manifolds over there.
If you guys want to see something specific happen with this,
Comment down below what car you think this should go in and any input you think we should have on the 1J.
yeah, if you want to see something special on this, we'll just send it to the moon. Like, see how
Honestly. Yeah, because engines we haven't cracked open before. We've done over 500, so
on one with fresh bearings and
piston rings.
Fresh rings?
Yep. Because that was one of the issues you had with the previous 1J was piston ring.
Yeah, lost compression. The rings were bad. Stay tuned. See you guys again real soon. Peace.
Peace.
Fighter jets, JZX, 90 ways to break your neck. Close enough, watch your step, slam dunk and rip the net. Chillin' on my private Laker, standing up in my set. Michael Scott with the paper, midnight level with the threat. Militant with the beat, left, right, left. I don't know what you've been told, but they all fucking with the best. No more fabricating.